Here is my 1 cup of raw almonds. I'll be pouring a 1 cup of water, just tap water, and we'll be soaking this overnight. And I'll see you later. Okay, so this is our soaked almonds. I'll be pouring out the water, and we're going to process it in this processor. If you have a super blender or any kind of blender, you can just use it. So I'm just adding a new water, filtered water, and process it. So if you don't have processor, it's better to use a blender for this, but obviously I don't have it, so I'm just using what's on hand. Okay, so now we're going to throw in our dates. You can add a bit more than 2 pieces of dates if you're a sweet tooth. So yeah, and I'm just splitting my raw vanilla bean in half and getting all the beans inside, scraping out the beans. Okay, you can totally use vanilla extract, any type of vanilla extract you have, but I just have vanilla beans on hand, so I'm just throwing it in, and we can now process it again. As you can see here, the mixture is kind of resembles like a milk already, and it has those tiny bits of almond, and I'm just going to strain it out with my sift, but it will leave some particles of nuts, small particles of nuts. So if you're not a fan of that when drinking your coffee or tea, you might use a cheesecloth for that. It will leave you a smooth and creamy almond milk. So yeah, but I don't have it. I don't have cheesecloth right now, so I'm just using a sift, and I think it'll do for my coffee and baking. So yeah, so I'm just pouring water, 3 cups of water to be exact, and trying to extract all the you know, the milk of the almond. So here is our 3 cups of almond milk, and I just transferred it. As you can see, there are little particles of almond in there, but if you're going to use cheesecloth, then you're gonna leave with really smooth and milky and awesome almond milk. So yeah, it's so frothy, and it's real good. So it's better than store-bought actually. So please give this a try, guys, and hit like and subscribe for more, so I'm using it. This is another day, and I'm using it for my coffee. So yeah, I hope you try this, and I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye.